Introduced nearly a decade ago, liquid laundry packets transformed the way millions of families do their laundry, offering a more simple and sustainable solution. The pre-measured convenient packets contain highly concentrated detergent and are designed to make doing laundry easier. Liquid laundry packets easily dissolve in both hot and cold water, making them a sustainable laundry option, and work best when tossed into the washing machine before your clothes. But that's not all. While ensuring clothes are easily cleaned and the planet stays green, this laundry innovation was not complete without the most important advancement: product safety. The cleaning products industry and product manufacturers are committed to delivering products that not only work, but are also safe when used as directed. In an effort to deter accidents from liquid laundry packets, safety advancements have been made to the packet and the packaging. When it comes to safety, parents and caregivers play a crucial role. Here are a few tips to help ensure accidents don't happen at home. From the moment a product leaves the store shelf and enters the home, safe handling and proper storage must be top of mind. Bag liquid laundry packets and other household cleaners separately at the store and put them away immediately. Keep these products up high and out of sight and reach of young children and seniors with cognitive disabilities, like dementia. Never allow children to handle liquid laundry packets or other detergents. Give them other chores in the laundry room, like folding or sorting clothes. For seniors with cognitive impairments, liquid laundry packets could draw unwanted attention and interest, so it is equally as important to keep up and out of sight and reach. And always store all products in their original containers, closed with labels intact. After all, they are detergent, not decor. While liquid laundry packets deliver on the benefits of sustainability and convenience, when it comes to product safety and safe practices, everyone has a role to play. Learn more at packetsup.com.